Hi everyone. I wanted to give you a brief overview of the Texas data for Economists course that I'm developing with Timberlake. The motivation for the course is that there exists all sorts of economically relevant information on a variety of unstructured data. You can think of political speeches, news articles, earning calls, social media, and this type of information, you also have it not only in terms of transcript, so text, but image and audio, for example, through video. What is the issue with this type of information is that it is not structured in the way that spreadsheets and survey data are. The goal of the workshop is to provide you with the tools to structure this type of unstructured information such that you're able to do or to use it for causal analysis, predictive analysis, descriptive analysis. However, across 10 sessions, each of an hour and a half, we'll go through the full workflow of working with text for an economist, from collecting and pre-processing text corpora to representing these type of information through word and document embeddings, using these representations to perform unsupervised and supervised machine learning, topic modeling, sentiment analysis, transformer models, using large language models with this type of data. We'll also have introductory sessions also for other types of unstructured data, image and audio. The workshop is designed to be extremely applied and research oriented. With this in mind, we're not only going to focus on covering the methods, how to implement these, but we're also going to cover applications of these methods in economics. And to give you a better idea of what this means, in the end of the workshop, we hope that students will be able to work on topics such as political speeches and legislative debates, central bank communication, news narratives and media bias, earning calls and financial sentiment, social media and public opinion, and much more. Each session will combine lectures with hands-on coding in Python. And this type of coding will take place in sessions in which students will be using Google Colab. Why is this important? Because it means that you will not need to install any type of software in your computers. You will be able to follow the course with simply an internet browser. Overall, the goal of the workshop is to not only provide you with the conceptual foundations to focus on unstructured data, but also to give you the practical tools to start to do research with this type of information. I really look forward to seeing you in the workshop, and I hope to see many of you there.